sometimes, sometime, and sometime. Sometimes I like singing the song, "Everybody needs somebody sometime," but I wish I had some time to learn the rest of the lyrics. Hi, welcome to Jen's Jyugyou. My name is Jen, and today you're going to learn the differences between sometimes, sometime, and sometime. First, let's take a look at how to use the word sometimes. Sometimes is an adverb of frequency, which helps to describe how often an action happens or how often you do an action. Sometimes has the same meaning as occasionally or not very often. Let's take a look at a few example sentences using sometimes. Tea is my favorite drink, so I drink it every day. However, sometimes I prefer to drink coffee. I go bowling sometimes, but not very often. Sometimes I have friends over for dinner, but usually we meet up at a restaurant for dinner. I wake up early most days, but sometimes I get to sleep in. Next, let's take a look at sometime. Sometime being one word. When we use sometime, one word, it is also an adverb. In this case, sometime refers to a specific point in time, but a point in time which is unknown or unstated. We usually use sometime to talk about a point in the future or possibly a point in the past. For example, I'm planning to get a haircut sometime this week. I don't know or I don't say exactly when that time is that I'll be getting this haircut, just some point in the future. Sometime I will get a haircut. Sometime this summer we should go to the beach. We should go see a play sometime when the theaters reopen. You must visit Toronto sometime. Now, let's take a look at sometime. Two words. When we use sometime, time is a noun and some is a determiner. Some specifically means a unspecified amount of something. So sometime means an unspecified span of time, a certain time period, a long duration of time. So if we want to say that something happened for a long time, we can say that it happened for some time. It takes some time to become fluent in a new language, so don't give up. I've really wanted to travel to Europe for some time, but I haven't been able to yet. If someone wants to break up with their boyfriend or girlfriend, they might say something like, "It's not you, it's me. I think we need some time apart." For some time, people have been becoming overly dependent on their smartphones. So today, you have learned the differences between the commonly confused words sometimes, sometime, and sometime. Hopefully now that you know how to use these words, you won't get them confused in English anymore. And now it's time for Question of the Day. For today's question, in the comments below, I want you to please make 3 sentences. One sentence using sometimes, one sentence using sometime, one word, and another sentence using sometime, 2 words. Let me see your example sentences, so practice what you've learned in this lesson in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. If you found it useful, please subscribe to Jen's Jyugyou and give this video a thumbs up. Good luck with your English studies. See you again sometime.